a bullet. Oh, he wants his butt scratched now.
You're watching, he plays hard with me. I always been rough with him. See how I really make him mad? Come here, boy. He hates it when I put my hand in his mouth.
Emmy, stop. Go sit down. What?
He's wagging his tail. He's like a bear on you.
It's just what the hell?
He almost punches me.
Boy, she loves to go around circles. Okay, now. He coming after you, Austin.
Get up, baby!
Oh, he loves us to death.
That's actually a little ticket.
Yep.
We're gonna go get bitten, Emmy.
No, he ain't gonna bite her. He might.
You can't always see him.
I know, you can't. They have right teeth over him.
Yeah. I got one. A picture of him. You can't see him except for the white teeth. Then you know he's there. Okay, he's going away. He's done, Emmy.
Get him.
That's my bag.
Get him, Emmy.
That's my bag.
Yeah, get him. Get him.
Damn, Mommy.
I know, get him. Be easy. Get him.
What can you call this? All done now.
He's ready. He was ready. She was petting him. He stopped. And damn, she didn't come back on me.
He knows they're just playing.
No.
Good boy, Bullet. Good boy. Here. Say hi, Emmy.
Hey.
Now, we wonder how we're going to keep Emmy still for just a little while. I think this right here would work just fine to keep Emmy just staying still for a little while. What do you think? I do. There you go, Emmy. You're loose. Now you can pester me some more, right, Emmy? All right.
Show him how vicious Bullet is.
Get him.
Not hard, not hard.
And not on his ears. She's popping him in the mouth. He won't bite you. I promise you.
Look like that. Watch. See? Like that. Do it, Emmy. Do it. Get him.
She was doing it so perfect.
Here.
Come here, get him.
I'm not.
Yeah, you gonna have that.
Come on.
hungry.
Get him. Get him.
Cereal.
Get him, Emmy. Play with him.
Yes, here we are in Marion, North Carolina with my dog who's a felon. Because the police say that he's very vicious. Yep, so vicious, ain't he? Now hug him and show him how he loves on you.
Give him a hug, Emmy.
Give him a hug.
Give him hugs.
He said, yeah, he needs a hug. Yeah, the most vicious dog.
Talking about lazy.
Huh?
Look at them teeth.
Them teeth? No, I don't want to look at them teeth. Them teeth would hurt. I'm talking about hurt. I'm talking about bone crushing hurt. Yeah. Oh, you just broke my arm.
Yeah.
Yeah, he could do.
Yeah. Well, I love you. Yeah. Is it itches? Does it itch? Oh, really? Your medicine? Huh? Is it time for your medicine? Yeah. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. You don't like it? Well, pick up the blanket. And anything else? Bullet. What? Yeah. Yeah. Well, quit chewing on your tail. Your tail. Well, you're just not never going to get better if you keep chewing on it. We'll have to call you the headless tail. I mean, the hairiest tail, whatever. The bald tail. There we go. It's too early in the morning to talk to me. I know it. I don't got no brain in the morning. No, I don't. And do you love me? Do you love me? You do. Yeah. Uh-huh. I love you lots and lots too. Yeah. Yeah. Should I go ask Daddy? Go ask Daddy? Okay, let me go ask Daddy. There you go.
I was ready, buddy. God.